Hey everybody, Brock Frady here, helping you enjoy your ride. The 2014 Nissan Altima. And we're going to start behind the wheel right here. You can obviously use remote start to start the car from inside your house, and then lock and unlock like a traditional clicker. And I like the little, you see the little dimples right there that are on either side of the unlock icon. That lets you feel for the buttons right there, so you know what button is the unlock icon in case you want to unlock it in your pocket without taking it out. About a 2-second delay on the trunk release. The same for the panic alarm. Whenever you activate the panic alarm, all you need to do is hit lock or unlock to deactivate it. Your key fob right here, there is a little tab right here that presses down, and then you can just pull the physical key out of the key fob there. This will never be used to start the car. This is only used in the event that the battery in the key fob dies. You can unlock it with unlock the door here, at which point you would need to get into the car and put this up by the start button really close, and there's still enough juice for the car to sense the key fob and allow it to start, at which point you would need to have the battery in this replaced. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope this has helped you understand your Altima a little bit better. Also, remember to subscribe. Remember to thumbs up all my videos if you can. I sure do appreciate you watching, and have a great day, everybody.